Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're tackling a piece of hardware that honestly looks a bit boring, but it solves one of the messiest problems in tech, the tyranny of the power brick.
It really does. We're looking at the Thor Broadcast H-PS-12x16 rack-mount power supply.
Right. And its whole job is basically to stop you from having to plug in 16 different things. It just centralizes it all.
Exactly. One box, a single unit in a 19-inch rack to power 16 separate 12-volt DC devices.
I mean, I can immediately see the appeal. Nobody wants that cable spaghetti nightmare behind their rack. It saves time, it looks professional. But to be honest, isn't this just a very, very fancy power strip?
That's the core question, right? And in a way, yes, but it's designed for a whole different world. It's about solving what you could call the clutter crisis in really high-density professional settings.
So not my home theater setup.
No, not at all. We're talking about, say, a broadcast head end, the nerve center where all the TV signals originate, or some kind of mission-critical lab.
Okay, so a place where they might have dozens of, like, cable TV or direct TV boxes all stacked up in racks.
Precisely. And that's where the specs start to matter a lot more than just convenience.
Let's break that down then. We've got 16 individual outputs.
Yeah, and each one is pushing 12 volts DC at 1.5 amps. That 1.5A rating is so key. It means you have enough juice to safely run power-hungry devices without, frying anything.
Right. And this thing is built like a tank. The source material says it weighs 660 grams. That's, what, about 8 pounds?
It is, yeah. It's solid. And it has to be, because it's managing all that load in a tight space. And it's even got 2 internal cooling fans to keep everything stable.
And I noticed this little detail, a power LED for each of the 16 inputs.
Which is brilliant for troubleshooting. You get an instant visual, no guesswork. If something goes down, you know exactly which channel it is. Less downtime.
The sources gave a really specific use case, which I found helpful. They said it's used to power 16 of their HDMI RF mini modulators.
The HDMI RF petit, yeah.
So for that entire bank of modulators, you need 0 individual power supplies. Is the real payoff here system security then, not just neatness?
That's exactly. It's security, which really translates to redundancy.
Ah, okay.
Think about it. In a broadcast environment, if one little wall wart fails, one device is down. But what if this main unit fails?
16 channels go off the air instantly.
Right, which is why this unit is built with redundancy in mind.
Right.
It's just non-negotiable when, potentially millions of viewers are relying on that feed. A failure isn't an inconvenience, it's lost revenue and a massive headache.
And physically, it seems pretty straightforward. Standard DC 2.5mm jacks, it ships with all the cables you need.
And it's flexible, too. There's a voltage switch on the back, so you can use it with 110 or 220 volt systems. It's made to be used globally.
So when you connect all the dots, it's not just a power strip. It's really an elegant piece of system architecture.
It really is. You're consolidating 8 pounds of reliable energy and 16 potential points of failure into one manageable professional component that's only about 44 millimeters tall.
So this deep dive shows that sometimes the least glamorous components are doing the heaviest lifting. They mask this enormous system complexity.
Absolutely.
So here's a thought to leave you with. If consolidating power this way can so dramatically cut down on installation time and, more importantly, reduce the complexity of a critical broadcast system, what other boring-looking boxes in a server rack or an AV setup are actually quiet, revolutionary heroes delivering these simple solutions to really immense engineering problems? Something to think about.